Are you getting the message? Local Security Authority protection is off. Your device may be vulnerable. I will show you 2 methods to fix this problem. Welcome to F1 Expat. My name is Norm. Okay, so let's get into it. Select Start. Select Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Type in the search bar, Windows Security. Select the 3 horizontal dots. Select Advanced option. Scroll down to Reset. Select Repair. Next, select Reset. Close out the window. Select Search. Type in Windows Security. Select Device Security. Select Core Isolation. Check to see if Local Security Authority protection has been resolved. If not, then proceed to the next method. Next step. Select Start. Select Run. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Under Computer Configuration, select Administrative Templates. Select System. Search for Local Security Authority. Select Configure LSAWSS. Select Enable. From the drop list, select Enabled with UFFI, Lock. Select Apply. Close out the screen. Local Security Authority protection should now be working. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.